Hi everyone, check this out. The future of metrology is here with the AT SolutionPackage. Picture this: install the sensor, scan the object, and evaluate the data, all in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard right, 10 minutes. Now let's focus on the key component of this ingenious package, the Metrology package. So here is what you get: easy to use software for quick prototyping and deployment, simplified multi-sensor calibration with new targets, and smart 3D point cloud processing algorithms. And to top it off, we provide the Metrology SDK so you can fully enhance the capabilities of our Metrology package. What's even cooler? The Metrology package supports fully automatic alignment with the reference point system RPS. Get ready to experience faster and easier metrology with automation technology. Visit our website for more. See you next time on TechVibes. Bye!